Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel, y'all, Chesh and the Action Mash. Good day, y'all. So I am here today with the puppies. We have Millie, we have Bowie, and we have little Freddy here. Do you want a little treat? Do you want a little treat? Look, good boy. They finished puppy training last night. Come on, Bowie. Come on, he's a little bit timid. Come on, Blue Eye. Come on. Come on, Blue Eye. There we go. Have a little treat. No. Anyway, we gave Millie a bit of a haircut, didn't we, Millie? Because you were looking a bit scruffy. And here we... Oh, and there's a kitty. Hello, kitty. This is Newt. And we have Henry here, my former Benji, with a lot of Millie fur. Because unfortunately now we only have the one. Well, fortunately we have just the one and not the three. So the big fur mess tests are a little bit difficult to do now, because these don't really molt. I do brush them a lot. They do sort of like lose some undercoat, being Pomeranian. Go on, have a bit of rabbit. So anyway, so the clippings on them aren't much at all. So I thought I would do a little fur mess test now going forward, because that's all that we've got now, are little fur mess tests. Oh, you're a good boy. So we have got, like I said, my Henry, my former Benji. This one is, if you can see, this is a HVR 16011. There's the details of it there. You're gonna read the details out? No? Okay. So we have a bit of mess from Millie. So if I put former Benji on the floor. And we are going to get rid of this mess test. And I don't think... Yeah, you've got fur all over you now. She's going to like it, but I'll see. Switch it on. Dogs aren't really scared of them, thankfully. Get rid of this. Do a bit of slow-mo. Okay, so we got rid of all that fur and we got a bit of slow-mo action there going for you guys. But I wanted to use the Dyson, using the anti-wrap. How are you staying there? Using this, which is the Dyson anti-tangle screw, just to show you how good it is on this. So I've got it on medium power. So yeah, it is fantastic. There is literally just a couple of wisps stuck on in there, as you can see. Nothing left in there. Nothing has blocked up in there. It does a really good job of kind of stopping it from getting blocked in there. I don't know. I use it all the time for like the cat thing. So I use it a lot for the cat tree and also for other upholstery. The sofa. And the stair, oops, and the stairs, I'll show you now. There on the stairs. So it does a really good job. That's pretty full. Pretty full. It's gone past the max. But yeah, this anti-tangle tool is fantastic. This was sent to me from the States by my friend Nick, who sent it over for me, along with the laser head, which I've done a video on recently. So yeah, this is really good. And I've got this little Velcro strap thing here that I can use for when I want it on completely when I'm doing dusting or whatever. So yeah, looks like one of those sand pictures of hair. So she's not really fazed by it, to be honest, like the other cats. That's one thing with these kittens and dogs, is I've had the vacuum on and the mop on a lot with them around, so they don't get super scared. Freddie, be nice to her. Ah, so they all get on really well. Do you like the kitty? Do you love your sister? You're gonna share the bone with her? No, just gonna tease her. Okay guys, so there we go. Quick video for you today. Just to get back into the habit of doing stuff. Like I said, you know, the cats and dogs now, they are older. The dogs are now, the puppies are 5 months old, so they're still young. They finished their puppy course, puppy training. So they do in and they go in really well. So there we go guys, thank you very much for watching. Introducing the new family. There's still Dexter's missing, he's outside, and also Ripley, she's outside as well. But thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Oh, is that babies? Is that babies want cuddles? That Bowie, Freddie, stop biting him, stop nibbling. Oh, okay guys, see you soon, bye.